Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.